Hello everyone, welcome to the session. You all must have noticed that children, they forget grammar rules, but they remember stories. So today I am going to talk about a very powerful method of teaching grammar through stories. So let us move further. Let us understand first what is teaching grammar through stories. It means presenting grammar structures in the context of a story instead of isolated rules. We should not teach grammar in isolation. We should teach grammar through stories, and that will help children remember the rules throughout their lifetime. So let students experience the grammar naturally through characters, events and situations. So we should give them situations, characters, and from there students can learn grammar. Stories, because stories, they provide context, emotion, meaning and real life language use. So this makes grammar easier to understand and remember. So we should, instead of teaching grammar through rules, we should teach grammar through stories. That will help children remember it forever. Now here are some key reasons why this method works so well. First is grammar becomes meaningful. When we teach grammar through stories, it becomes meaningful because students, they see how grammar is used, not just what it is. So they actually see the usage of grammar, not only that what it is. Then it improves retention. We all know that students, they are fond of stories. They remember stories for a long time. So if we teach them grammar through stories, they will definitely remember stories longer than rules. Then reduces fear of grammar. Definitely stories, they are loved by children, so they reduce the fear of grammar. Normally children, they are scared of learning grammar rules. So grammar feels natural, not boring or difficult. So by the way of story, they feel it natural, not boring or difficult. It also encourages communication. Stories invite discussion, prediction and creativity. They get a chance to discuss, talk, use their creativity. So that will also help them improve their grammar. It is suitable for all age groups, from young learners to adults. Everyone loves stories. So that is why it is the best method to teach students grammar through stories. Now look at the step-by-step process. First is you have to choose a grammar point. First you have to select which point is to be taught. Past tense, present continuous, prepositions, which topic of grammar is to be taught through stories. Then you have to create or select a story. You have to create your own story based on that topic, or you can select a story. The story should be simple and interesting, include multiple examples of target grammar, match students' level. So it should be according to the level of the students. You cannot teach class 2 children by taking some difficult story that is suited for class 10 student. For example, use a story about boys' weekend or an adventure. Now definitely this story will use past tense, and student can learn this past tense with the help of story. Now third step is tell or read the story. Use expressions and gestures. Use pictures if possible. Don't explain grammar yet. Let students enjoy and understand the story first. Don't start with the grammar immediately you start the story. First, let children enjoy the story. Then we can talk about grammar that is used in the story. Now highlight the grammar. After the children, they have enjoyed, they have heard the story. Now highlight the grammar, the points that have been used in the story. For example, he went to the park, she played with her friends. Then ask questions like, what do you notice about these verbs? When did the action happen? This is how simple past tense can be taught using the story. Now step 5, practice through activities. Now you should use activities, fun activities such as completing the story, changing the ending, retelling the story, role play, and this will definitely help students use grammar actively. Now let's take a quick example. Story. Yesterday Anna woke up early. She brushed her teeth, ate breakfast and went to school. At school she met her friends and played games. Now you can see the story and you can see on which part of speech, which part of speech has been focused in the story. Now grammar focus is past tense here. So students, they identify verbs and then they create their own story about yesterday. Then when they are using their own story, definitely they are going to use past tense on their own. This will definitely help them learn better about tense. The story should be simple, effective and engaging. That is also very important. Now, teaching grammar through stories transforms grammar lessons from rules to real communication. That is the best part. Why do we teach grammar through stories? Now, when grammar is taught through stories, students, they enjoy learning, they understand, their understanding improves, and their confidence also grows. So, next time you teach grammar, try telling a story and watch the magic happen. You should try this, and definitely you'll feel some kind of magic in your class. Thank you so much. See you next time.